Hello humans, how art thou today? Joshdalf Meowbeard here to take you on a grand adventure. Today we are going to be going to New York Comic-Con. Now I will teleport us there, and when we arrive we will see beings of other worlds, fantasy, future, and everything. So stick with me as I teleport us now. Teleporto me out the Oh, that was quite the journey. As you can see, we have arrived at New York Comic-Con. So, stand by. We're going to go through each and every little thing, and we're going to see many, many of our fellow wizards and warriors. And a box walk right by in front of the camera.
Right in front of you.
So, stand by. Let's go to it.
Let's go down.
Keep walking, Meow Young.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah, sure.
Be lucky if it's a creeper. Looks like one of my incantations failed as I blew up her head.
Way too many people. It sucks.
Meow Young, what say ye?
There's too many people.
Did not even touch the bare cusp of it.
Is that a blue-eyed white dragon over there?
Oh, look at you and your knowledge. Oh, they're out of tickets. You can't go inside. Perhaps I can cast a spell. We did teleport here, didn't we?
Shut up.
Clearly my apprentice does not appreciate the work I did casting us here.
Let's watch these nerds.
You heard what she called you guys? You guys can see there's quite a bit more to see here at New York Comic-Con. The static from my transportation spell has caused my wizard hair to flow. We are currently looking for the Loot Crate station, if there is one. Why I was looking at the button, I do not know. I will fill you guys in when I find it. Vamonos! Note to anyone who wants to come here, do not come on a Sunday. Family Day is ridiculous. There are people everywhere. You cannot even move. You cannot breathe. Last year I went here on Saturday and it was much, much better. Joshdalf says don't come on Sunday. I have found the Square Enix area. It is amazing. Cactuar, Moogles, carbuncles, everything. Moving on, humans. So, here I am sitting, taking a break, taking in all the sights, the sounds, everything. Joshdalf, Meowbeard, is tired. Alrighty, humans. That is New York Comic Con 2016. So I will see you next year.